Hello, hi. So this is me. My name is Shujusnata. I do get called as Clementine a lot because people like to call me as the character Kate Winslet's character from Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, and because I kind of relate to that character, it is sort of also um, a name that I coined myself, and then now everyone calls me Clementine. So for today, I wanted to show things that, as a curator, as a born curator who has been curating since I don't know, for the past many years that I was born, which is like 18 years of my life. Oh, sorry, 19 years of my life. And these are some of my most precious stuff. And I think it's worth showing to the class and to you all the things that I really love collecting and enjoy having with myself. So first is my box. This box is a little box of gemstone pendants. There's an insane amount of pendants here. Um, there's my first ever pendant, which I got on my trip to Darjeeling by myself, and I went alone. This is a pendant which is made of lapis lazuli, and it's very significant to me. It really is my heart. It's one of my first, big buys, and I am like, I treasure this the most. We have a lot of other pendants which I don't think we can cover in one video, but I'm just gonna quickly give you a little haul. But yeah, there's a lot. I'm not even gonna try to show them all, but this is like my little box full of pendants. Um, the second thing is being from West Bengal, and as the rumor says, as I'm immensely immersed in crafts from a very young age, I love dokra, and this is a dokra kali that I've bought a few weeks back when I was in Shantiniketan. It's a very beautiful village in West Bengal, and it was sort of almost globalized or made famous by Rabindranath Tagore himself. And Dokra is actually a handicraft which has been there since the Harappan civilization, and it's still made today. And so here is a piece of history and living history that still is there existing with us today. And another piece of really cool sort of thing, which is sort of like diminishing day by day, which I really want to share, is Talpata Shipai. Uh, so the idea is that this is actually a British soldier, and after the Battle of Polashi, you know how since Indians were suddenly sort of like they realized that they have that spirit inside them. So they started calling the British soldiers in Calcutta and in West Bengal, they're made of talpata. Talpata is a sleeve, which is what it is made of. And Talpata Shipai essentially means that the soldier might look strong on the outside, but they're internally super weak. And this is a super fun game to play, and like a piece of Bengali tradition and heritage. This has been there for more than 200 years, but these days, with the modern toys, everything is diminishing, and so is this beautiful craft. And last but not least, to not lengthen the video anymore, this is a little camera that I have, which I really treasure. Um, and I really love this camera, but I don't get to use it because the films are really expensive, and I do not have the money to splurge on films right now, even though I kind of want to really bad. So this is a camera which is very dear to me. It was gifted by my ex, but that's not the point. The point is that it's a beautiful camera. I took a few photographs with it, which I can't seem to find right now. I will show them, of course, if I do find them. But yes, as a curator, I love curating everything and anything, from literally the most um, the most Im- insignificant thing that might be to you might be super significant to me. And I really enjoy collecting and exploring things. And I know this video was more about feeling, how do I feel about things, or how am I really a person. And I think the objects that I sort of curate speak a lot for me as a person. And hence, I hope this video sort of gave you an insight to who I am as a person, really. Of course, it does not mean this is completely who I am, but also at the same time, it does show you a side of me which really forms the whole of what Shujyasnata really is. And that sums up the video. I hope you loved it. I hope everyone who's watching this video enjoyed it, enjoyed seeing my collection. See you next time. Bye bye.